In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Instagram URL on your Instagram application. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram and hit on your profile icon to open up your profile, and now there at the top left you got your username. And now all you have to do, that Instagram URL contains of two parts. The first part is www.instagram.com/ and the username is the next part. So now you can go to some messenger, enter there www.instagram.com, and there enter your Instagram username. And now I can hit on send, and if now I click on that link, I will open my Instagram profile right there. And that's all about how to find your Instagram URL, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.